Hi, my name is Fan Yang, your Chief Currency Analyst here at ForexMinute.com. You're watching today's Forex video briefing. It is October 1st, Wednesday, and we're in the middle of the US session. Tomorrow, on October 2nd, the European Central Bank will conclude its monetary policy meeting, release an official statement, and follow up with a press conference with Bank President Mario Draghi. Let's take a look at the euro dollar and the euro pound ahead of this key event risk. The euro dollar is consolidating this week after an initial dip to a new low on the year at 1.2571. However, it is holding below the, even though it's consolidating, it is holding below the 50-hour simple moving average and holding below 1.2640 so far. Also, the 1-hour RSI is below 60, so the bearish bias and momentum remains. Now, if we get a push above 1.2640 today, there should still be resistance in the 1.2670 to 1.2675 area ahead of the ECB event. This area represents lows from a previous mini consolidation, and it's also where the 100-hour simple moving average resides. Also, if the euro dollar is to maintain its bearish momentum ahead of the ECB event, the 1-hour RSI should hold below 60. Now, after the ECB event, if the price holds below 1.27 or comes back below 1.27 after a brief break, the bearish outlook should still remain. But a break and hold above 1.2715 could be a sign that the euro dollar is finally consolidating or in a bullish correction. The euro pound is in a similar bearish setup as the euro dollar is in the 1-hour chart. After a new low on the year at 0.7766 to start the week, the euro pound rallied to 77.95, which has held as resistance in this week's consolidation. If price pushes above 0.78, we should have some initial signs of bottoming. It would be a double bottom, and then if after the ECB event risk, if price can stay above 0.78, we should be looking at the 0.7830 area as the next resistance. A break above that, you see, would clear all these moving averages in the 1-hour chart above this previous pivot, and that would be a sign of a bullish correction. Otherwise, if price holds below 0.78 or comes back down below it immediately after a break, the bearish outlook remains in play. It should be noted that the 77.64 right below this week's low is, when you look at the weekly chart, you see that 0.7764 is the 2012 low. So if price breaks below this support after the ECB, euro pound would be continuing a downtrend with risk at least towards the 0.7693 to 0.77 lows from October 28. And that wraps up today's Forex video briefing. Thanks again for watching. Trade well, trade safe.